All right, Packer Nation, good to be with you. It's Friday, probably, and chances are pretty good because you know that it's been a crazy week for you in some way, shape, or form. So, good news is that if you've taken kind of step by step, day by day, you've kind of made your way through it, um, and everybody's getting better at this whole process. So that's good. Today's U.S. history stuff really pretty straightforward. Just want you to start to look at some battles, specifically in Europe and North Africa. So, um, again, two different history courses, so your picture might not look the same, but we'll talk about the same things here. I'm in the Unit 7 folder. I'm going to open the Friday stuff. Thank you so much, folks. I didn't get everything posted the way I wanted it to on Wednesday, but people reached out, and so I got that addressed pretty quickly. Um, So the Friday folder has the agenda. Once you open up the Friday folder, you can see that for sure my do nows are going to be published by 10 p.m. on Thursday night, actually trying to give you a little bit extra time. And then all I want you to do is take a look at both the textbook and some primary source photography and try to identify some of the key battles. Obviously, not all of them. Some of you probably know more about some of the key battles in World War II than I do because there are so many of them and they're so complex and they're so interesting. But basically, what I'm trying to get you to do is read a little bit about the fighting in Europe and North Africa, and then look at some pictures to try to identify which pictures might have to do with which battle. So again, depending on what class you're in and what sort of status you have, you're going to have maybe different directions here as far as how many battles and where to read. But that's the key idea here, is that you're going to read a little bit in the textbook, and then you're going to get to these pictures. And so, for example, here I am looking at a picture with some soldiers and a tank in the snow. Now, if you've done the reading, right, you know that really only one of these battles is clearly in the winter in a forest, where there'd be a lot of snow. So then you'll just answer in this kind of very specific way. So I think photo A is the Battle of Monopoly. The important visual data I can see in this photograph is the snow. And the fact I know about this battle is the Battle of Monopoly took place in January in the forests of, Sweden or whatever. That's really all I need from you, along with the do nows, is that sort of work. I had some people reach out with issues with the textbook, and I tried to respond with that. I'm actually going to post the little helper video that helps some people that are struggling with the video. But obviously, if you can't get the video at all, just let me know, and we'll figure out a way to get you that information. Hope that's all. Continue to reach out if you have questions or comments, and we'll just kind of get a fresh start here on day 2 next week, which will be Tuesday. All the best to you. I hope you have a safe weekend. Hope you continue to pay a little bit of attention to the news and see that people are hopeful that these pretty intense measures of isolation are helping our medical community stay on top of this disease, and look forward to talking with us more in depth as we go along. So all the best. Reach out. Let me know what I can do to help. Thank you.